In 2008, 28% or 40 cases referred to MCI by the state medical councils awarded punishments to doctors, and until 2019 June, 46% or 28 doctors were punished by MCI for medical negligence. Medical negligence complaints in India are usually received by the state medical councils where the accused doctors are registered. Hello everyone, this is me Ismat Sheikh and you all are watching Ismat Sheikh Official. Medical negligence is an unpardonable sin. So true. Today, in my today's video, we are going to discuss about medical negligence. So let's get started. Let's begin with understanding what is the meaning of the term medical negligence. We can define medical negligence as an improper or unskilled treatment of a patient by a medical practitioner. This includes negligence in taking care from a nurse, a physician, a surgeon, a pharmacist, or any other medical practitioner. So, friends, today I am going to answer a situational question. So, let me read the situation for you all. My friend's father died due to COVID-19 complication, but he felt that the negligence of the hospital authorities led to his father dying. The hospital in which his father was admitted is a government hospital. Now he wants to file a case against the hospital towards this negligence. He requested the hospital to provide the case papers and his father's health records, admission record, and other details of his stay in the hospital. However, the hospital refused it. Now, the hospital is not giving us the documents. So, the question arises, under what law can he apply to obtain the documents and records from the hospital? Please follow the following steps under medical negligence case. A complaint must be filed in the state medical council. If you are a victim of medical negligence, then the first necessary step is to file a complaint against the doctor in the state medical council. The complaint can be filed in the state consumer court, and a criminal suit can also be brought against the doctor or the hospital authorities. If the main motive behind filing a complaint is to seek monetary compensation, then the complaint must be filed in the consumer court in order to finish the case as soon as possible. The consumer courts can suspend the license of the doctor if it is the case of rarest of the rare medical negligence. Next is go to the patient's advocate. The other step that proves very useful in medical negligence cases is to go to the patient lawyer. If there is any breach of duty from the doctor's side, then the patient's advocate can clear this picture in the mind of the patient and ask them to take necessary steps to resolve the matter. The patient advocate can also help the patient in the cases if there should be some compensation due to medical negligence. Now, let's see the step-by-step procedure. The following steps must be taken. A complaint must be filed with the local police and the state medical council. If it is filed only with the police, then the police can send the report to the state medical council. If the report seems appropriate to the council, then it will send it to various other courts under the relevant sections. If the case is criminal in nature, then it will be against the state versus the hospital or the doctor. If the council finds that the case is serious and pose a danger to the life of the patient, then it can also suspend the doctor's license for a relevant period of time. If the council finds him guilty, the fact and circumstances of the case will decide the punishment to be given to the doctor. If the patient is still not satisfied with the judgment, then he or she can make an appeal to the Medical Council of India. The consumer courts can help the patient in seeking monetary compensation. It should be noted that the consumer court can only provide you with the compensation. It cannot punish the guilty. If the complainant is still not satisfied, then he can approach the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Now, how does the law help us in collecting the evidence? Collection of evidence related, any aggrieved person can claim damages for medical negligence against a doctor or a hospital. Section 69 of Clause 1 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019 lays down the time limit within which a complaint for medical negligence must be filed as 2 years from the date of injury. I hope friends you found my today's video informative. Please do share it with your friends and family. I will come again with my next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.